So one of the first investments that I made in gold was purchasing two gold bracelets. This was about 10 years ago. I'd saved up some money from my first salary, the first job that I'd ever done.
I look at my gold investments now, and I think it's one of the most reliable investment decisions that I've made.
Gold has always been a safe haven for investors during times of economic uncertainty, and in the long run, gold always tends to be profitable. If you invested in gold in 2001, you would be getting 8-fold returns on your investment today.
So when I started earning, the first few years, being my mother's daughter, I would make investments the way she advised me. I purchased a couple of bracelets, earrings, even some pendants. But after a few years, I realized that the best way of investing was via digital platforms.
For long-term investors, what makes gold a preferred digital investment is that gold outperforms other asset classes in the long run, giving positive returns consistently across various market conditions.
I've also made a very concerted effort to invest about 20% in digital gold, especially via gold ETFs. And I do this either once a year or twice a year basis. Now, if I look at monitoring my entire portfolio, gold ETFs are amongst the top 3 performers for me.
Start jostle. Sometimes I get quite a good profit, sometimes not. And with that profit, I thought of investing in gold, digital gold using phone. The pandemic took away my business, especially the hotel work that I was doing. The investment that I have invested in the digital gold, it shoots up, and I started selling those my investment, and the money that comes, it directly goes into my account. And with a little of that, I am surviving.
With digital investments through mobile wallets, apps, or a bank's digital platform, investing in gold has become convenient and flexible. Digital gold provides quality assurance and safe storage.
I had no idea what is gold in investment. Randomly, ek din, my friends, they just came up to me and they were like, try karke dekho. So I invested in gold via Paytm Gold. 2 साल के अंदर I was so happy and relaxed because it's easily understandable. वो tracking का झमेला and the fear of any economic fluctuation वो था ही नहीं.
Nearly 25,000 tons of gold is believed to be stashed away in Indian households because gold as an asset class gains value when traditional funding gets closed and makes borrowing against it easier with options like loan against gold.
मैं एक रिटायर्ड दूरदर्शन एम्प्लॉय हूं और जब मुझे पैसे की तुरंत जरूरत पड़ी कि पैसा कहां से आए तो मैंने अपने गोल्ड के अगेंस्ट लोन लेना तय किया. मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि इतनी आसानी से सब हो सकता है और रीपेमेंट भी बहुत आसानी से हो रहा है.
The uncertainty surrounding economic and geological crisis will continue to make gold an attractive investment that rescues investors.
So I invested in gold about 3 years ago, and I encashed them quite recently. I made a good return on them.
Even if the purchasing power of the currency weakens, people will then want to convert their cash to something that cannot be created at will by the central bankers and retains its value in the long term. The answer will be gold.
In the end, I feel it was a really good deal for me.
This is one investment that suits my lifestyle, and most importantly, it makes my life worry-free.